The mortgage alone is about $1,600, right?
Preparing for life after high school. May River High School students are getting a taste of the real world thanks to Junior Achievement of Greater South Carolina. Through an interactive financial literacy program, students are assigned salaries based on careers that interest them. Then they move through a series of lifelike stations, making choices about housing, transportation, food, and more, learning how to manage a budget and plan for their financial future.
They budget 21 different categories, so they have to research and they have to learn about childcare, healthcare, all of the above, everything that you and I do every day, and then they actually get to go spend their money and see how far it will go in a month. And they have to prioritize. They realize real quickly that they may have to buy the off-brand at the grocery store versus that brand of milk that they may want.
Your living expenses, your transportation.
This activity is designed to teach students financial responsibility and equip them with the skills they need to plan for a successful future.
I think it's important because we're kind of entering the adult world and it's no longer just high school, and we have to take on a lot more responsibilities as we get older.
It's good for the students to kind of understand where all this money, like the money that you make, what it goes to, and kind of just, it's insightful because we're all going to be adults soon.
When you learn these type of things here, it betters you and makes you more ready for the outside world, because a lot of people that don't pay attention to this type of stuff, they get out in the world and it's a big shock for them.
Students are learning the importance of budgeting as they use tablets to pay bills and track expenses.
From experience, I have to pay car insurance, I have a job, I have certain things I have to pay, but I don't have to pay all these things because I'm not, honestly just like a fully functioning adult. But it's just interesting to see where all your money actually ends up going to.
The organization wants the students to carry these money management skills with them as they move on from high school.
We hope that when they walk away from here that they can make life choices. And so being able to make a choice, the difference between a need and a want, is very important in today's world.
Junior Achievement of Greater South Carolina works with students across the state, offering programs that build on financial literacy, soft skills, and teamwork. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
What do you pay for when you actually are paying for your water bill? What do y'all think?